Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to buy USDT on Bybit. So the first step is to simply go to bybit.com or simply open their official app on your mobile device. Then simply click on buy crypto and then click on one click buy. Now the next step is to simply choose how much money would you like to buy USDT for. So as you can see here, you can select the currency and at the bottom you have the cryptocurrency. So simply choose USDT, then simply enter how much would you like to buy and then simply choose your payment method. So as you can see, you have Google Pay, bank card and other payment methods. So after you do that, click on buy and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.